Government over whether former President Jacob Zuma was entitled to use taxpayers' funds to fight corruption charges is due to come before the High Court in Pretoria today. The DA lodged an application in March asking the court to set aside the government's decision to pay Zuma's legal fees. It was revealed earlier this year that the state had already spent at least 15.3 million rand on Zuma's legal costs in the so-called spy tapes case. Zuma is opposing the application, saying he undertook to repay the state after the completion of criminal charges against him, especially if he was found guilty of the offences. The matter will be heard before a full bench of the North Gauteng High Court. The court has set aside 2 days for the